Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can monitor heart rate on Garmin. So, the quickest way to check your pulse is through the dedicated heart rate widget. So if you have Garmin touchscreen screen, swipe up or swipe down. I have with the button, so I will press the button here on the left. And as you can see, the first one here is the heart rate. And now I can check some of the option. As you can see, 7-day average is 45. Now you basically also measure the heart rate while you are active. So let's say we go on a bike and you will see the option. Now it's searching for, you see here the heart rate monitoring. Here on the watch face you will see an option. So almost every watch face has the option to measure the heart rate here. I also have the graph right over here in the bottom middle. So yeah, this is how you can progress and measure your heart rate. You can also set up abnormal heart rate alerts. So if we go to the settings, okay, so let's go to the settings here, long press and like that. Now we need to go to the notifications. Notifications and alerts. So I have it here, wrist heart rate. I will click on that, and then here abnormal heart rate alerts. I will select that, high alert on. So high threshold and low threshold I have like that. You can set the numbers here, and when you are in the recovery mode or that you are resting, and if you have this abnormal heart rate alert, watch will start beeping. So yeah, this is basically how you can monitor your heart rate on Garmin watch. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next